Hi. Excuse me, could you help me? I'm visiting the city for the first time, and I'm looking for some gifts and maybe a few things for myself.
Of course. Welcome. What kind of items are you hoping to find? Souvenirs, clothing, local products, or something else?
A little bit of everything. I want to buy souvenirs for my family, maybe some clothes, and I'd love to check out anything unique to this area.
Great. You're in the right place. For souvenirs, we have magnets, postcards, handmade crafts, and local snacks. For clothing, this section on your left has our most popular travel-friendly items.
Perfect. Can I take a look at the handmade crafts first?
Absolutely. These items are handmade by local artists. We have wooden carvings, small paintings, keychains, and hand-woven bags. They're very popular with tourists.
These are beautiful. How much is this hand-woven bag?
That one is $28. It's made with natural fibers and usually takes about 2 days to complete.
Wow, that's impressive. I think I'll get one. Do you have different colors?
Yes, we do. Let me show you. Here are blue, green, and red versions. We also have a larger size if you prefer.
I like the blue one. I'll take that. Now, I also want to look at the clothing area. I need something comfortable for walking around the city.
Sure. Over here we have lightweight shirts, travel pants, and jackets designed for different weather. What size do you usually wear?
Usually medium, but sometimes large depending on the fit.
No problem. Here are a couple of medium-sized shirts. The fabric is breathable and dries quickly. Great for traveling.
This feels nice. Do you have the shirt in a different color?
Yes, it comes in white, navy, gray, and olive green. Which one would you like to see?
Navy, please.
Here you go. If you'd like to try it on, the fitting rooms are right behind you.
Perfect, thank you. I'll try this on quickly.
Take your time. I'll be right here if you need anything.
It fits really well. I'll take it.
Great choice. Anything else you'd like to look at?
Yes, I also want to buy something small for my coworkers. Maybe snacks or keychains.
We have a whole shelf of popular local snacks. Many travelers buy them as gifts. Would you like something sweet, salty, or spicy?
Maybe sweet. What do people usually buy?
Our most popular items are these chocolate-covered nuts and our fruit candies. They're easy to pack and last a long time.
These look good. How much are the fruit candies?
They're $5 per bag, or you can buy 3 bags for $12.
I'll get 3 then. And maybe a few keychains too. How much are the keychains?
Most of them are $3 each, but if you buy 5, the 6th one is free.
Okay, I'll grab 6 then. That should be enough for everyone.
Excellent. Is there anything else you need today? We also have travel adapters, umbrellas, water bottles, and small first aid kits. Very useful for tourists.
Actually, a travel adapter would be helpful. I forgot mine at home.
No problem. Here are universal adapters that work in most countries. They're $10 each and very reliable.
Great. I'll take one. I think that's everything.
Wonderful. Let me ring that up for you. Do you need a tax refund form? Many travelers use it to get some money back at the airport.
Yes, please. I didn't know that was an option.
Sure thing. I'll print it for you. Just keep the receipt with you and show both at the airport tax refund counter.
Thank you. Also, do you know any good places nearby to grab lunch?
Definitely. If you walk straight out of the store and turn right, you'll find Riverside Cafe. They're famous for their seafood soup. If you prefer something quick, there's a street food market just 3 minutes away.
That sounds perfect. I'll check one of those out. Thank you for all the help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your shopping and have a wonderful time exploring the city.